Good morning, dear children. How are you today? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So, children, today is Tuesday and the date is 25th of January 2022. So, what is the spelling of Tuesday, children? It is Tuesday. 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 Now, children, in reading today, we are going to read our page number 109. So, take out your page number 109. Children, we are reading words with I vowel. Now, today, let's add ID. What is the phonic sound of letter I, children? It's E. D ka D. E, D. It. Now, let's make CVC words by joining one more consonant. K, id. Kid, kid. L, id. Lid, lid. Now let's add it. It, it. It. Hit. K, it. Kit, kit. S, it. Sit. Now let's add ix. X, 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 fix, fix. X, mix, mix. X, six, six. Now children, let's add in. I, n, in. In, bin, bin. In, pin. In, tin. Now children, let's add ip. Ip, ip. Dip, dip. Ip, hip. Ip, sip. Zip, zip. Now children, what you have to do? You have to underline vowel I in all these words. Okay, like this. And read the words carefully. In this way, children, you have to underline I letter. And now, children, we have one worksheet which is on your page number 110. Take out your page number 110. So here you have to write your name. Okay, and what is your worksheet, children? Match the picture to the correct word. So here are the pictures, children, and the words with vowel I. Now first we have to recognize the pictures, then we have to read the words and then match them correctly. Okay? So children, what is this? This is a pin, dip, sip, bib, wig, lid, sit and hit. Now children, we have to read the words. Ip, dip. So match word with the picture. Dip. And next word is wig. 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 Now match with the picture. Next word is pin. 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 So match picture with the word. Correct word. The next word is lid. Lid. So this is a lid. So match with the picture. Bib. Bib. So here it is. So match with the picture. Sip. 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 Now next word is it. Hit. Hit. It. It. Sit. Sit. So children, in this way you have to do your worksheet, match correctly, and then send me a worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day children. Bye bye.